Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Triang Manmoji. Today we are going to discuss essay 250 words skills a child needs to excel. So let's start. Education may be a passport for the future, but there are certain life skills that even schools and educational institutions fail to teach. The lack of these important skills is resulting in a big gap between what schools are teaching and what is essential for the students to learn. Students need to be prepared both academically and socially. In today's tech savvy and fast paced world, parents, schools, universities, and colleges need to focus on the best skills for students, those that will help them make it big in life. The essential life skills that will help children succeed not just in academics but also in life after school. So let's see. First, critical thinking. Critical thinking is one of the most important skills for career development. It helps improve problem solving ability and decision making. Second, creativity. It can be nurtured and fostered in students from a young age. By being creative, students can express themselves freely and become better communicators. Third, adaptability. It is a life skill that allows students to adapt to new situations and environments. With adaptability, students can handle unexpected situations without getting frustrated. Fourth, interpersonal skills. These skill development is vital for students to interact and communicate effectively with others. It also encourages them to resolve conflicts mutually. Fifth, time management. In today's world, there is a tough competition between students as well, just like businesses. It is important for parents to teach their children how to manage their time and set their priorities right. Sixth, environmental awareness. It is the responsibility of parents and teachers to teach children about care and love for the environment. Seventh, emotional intelligence. It is the ability to identify, understand, and manage emotions in a healthy and effective manner. Eighth, collaboration. Collaboration encourages social interaction, improves communication and confidence, and builds and strengthens relationships. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.